This is HotRock. HotRock is a heated foam roller powered to deliver intense heat during the foam rolling experience. It utilizes an LCD display with controls for power, temperature, and time at the press of a button. Using thermal imaging, we can see the level of heat produced by HotRock. And that heat is transferred to our bodies during foam rolling, preparing us for activity, improving our mobility, and overall just helping us to feel great. Hi, my name is Dr. Tony ROCKLIN, and I've been an orthopedic and sports physical therapist for the past 21 years. In my clinic, I work with a lot of elite and professional athletes, helping them to improve their sports performance, as well as patients recovering from a variety of injuries, whether it be IT band pain from running, knee tendonitis from competing in CrossFit, even neck pain and headaches from sitting at that desk 50 hours a week. It's well established that using therapeutic heat and massage increases blood flow, oxygen, and nutrients to our tissues. It also decreases pain, increases range of motion and mobility, and overall just improves our body's response to injury.
My name is LANDEN. I played at the University of Kansas and now a professional basketball player. I've been using HotRock for about 3 months now as it's just coming out, and I love it. I mean, it brings a whole new element to foam rolling and really allows me to do what I need to recover. One of the things I really like about it is the controls. I mean, being able to turn it down or up to my liking, to my preference, and really depending on what clothing I have on, I'm able to do so, and I love it.
Monday through Wednesday, I'm up at 4:15. I get to this space at about 4:45, and our gym is awesome. It is tall ceilings, cavernous space. We have a great, huge garage door we can open up. But in fall and winter, it's cold in here. It's even cold sometimes during the summer. So when I get here, I turn the heater on, I get my coffee going, and then while that stuff is happening, I go ahead and I go grab my HotRock foam roller. I plug this in with its extra long cord. It's great. I can plug it in and move it anywhere I want in the gym, essentially. And then while the space is heating up, I get on this thing, and it's just so nice. Like when you're cold, I mean, it's just nice to have something that is warm. I personally oftentimes wake up with a tight low back. So I get on this thing in the morning and spend, 60, 90 seconds, and it just really helps get my day started and get my warm-up started before I start teaching classes.
We're really excited to get HotRock out to the world and help people move better and feel better. Thank you so much for your support.